lost my ways.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have another Sunday reset. I have been feeling down lately and I'm not real sure why. I have been seeing my therapist for the last few weeks and I think that's been helping, but I'm still definitely in this funk. I don't know what to call it, so I just call it a funk. I'm not depressed or anything like that. I just overthink a lot of things and that just kind of consumes my day sometimes. I definitely feel like there's people in my life that I need to cut out of my life because they're just not good for me and they're not positive people. I feel like there's a lot of people that talk badly about me behind my back, and that is one thing that I've been working really hard on not doing because I don't want to be that person. I have been really leaning on God lately and just reading my Bible, and that gives me a lot of peace and to know that He is with me. I also find cleaning being a therapy for me. I know a lot of people think that I'm crazy when I say that, but it really does. It puts me into a better place. I think just cleaning and focusing on what I'm doing, it clears my mind, and then when you're done, your house is clean and it just takes away some worries that you may have.
Thinking about you, you make me feel so safe, like when you told me you were mine. But I'm too late, I can't undo my mistakes. The time's run out and I'm left standing wet here in the rain. The same cloud hanging over my head. God, I wish you were here to save me from myself. You know it's true. You know it's true. I keep thinking about you. I can't get you out my head. I think you stole my soul. Shadows creeping everywhere. I want you here so badly. I can't get you out my head. I think you stole my soul. Shadows creeping everywhere. I want you here.
I like to restock everything on Sunday so then we are good for the week. I came up with this idea for the kids' lunches. We buy our stuff from Costco and everything comes in a big box. So what I decided to do was put a bunch of snacks in that basket, so then when they are making their lunches, they don't have to go through everything to find what they want. They can just pull out that little basket and pick what they want to put in their lunches. And here I am just restocking our fridge. And yes, we do have a lot of drinks. Everyone has their favorite drink that they like, so I am just filling up the fridge so then that is ready to go for the week.
I know that we would never work. I know that someone would get hurt. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. 'Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? I want you.
inside my head. Oh, I can't stop thinking about all the words you said. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not.
I love these couch covers way more than the first ones that I got. We have 7 mini schnauzers, so when it's raining outside, they will come in and get their dirty little paw prints all over my couch. I found out if I go in with a spray and scrub the stains, they come completely out and it doesn't take me long to clean the couches. I love them. I will have them linked in my Amazon storefront if anyone wants to check them out. I am so excited. We are finally going to be doing our first makeover in the house. We went to Menards and we got everything that we need to start the project. So I will be starting that hopefully this week, and I'm hoping it won't take me too long to do, but I'm really excited to show you guys the before and after. I think it's going to turn out amazing. I'm so excited. After I was done cleaning the house, my husband grilled us some hamburgers for supper, and this is what he does when I leave the camera on him. He's a goof. But that was it for my Sunday reset. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!